So today I will show you how to create group in Mendeley. First, click on the option to create a new group. Type the name of your group in the text field. Click the check button to confirm. After that, the group is created and will appear in your groups list. Next, you'll notice that there are no references inside yet. To add references, go back and click on All References. From there, select the references you want to include in the group. After selecting the references, and click the Organize button. Then, Add to Group. Select the group you created earlier. Finally, click on the group again, and you will see that the references are now added successfully. And that's it. That's how to create group in Mendeley.